Alright guys, welcome to this room tour. My name is Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, the weekly lifestyle show about Las Vegas, the Ninth Island. Check out the description below so you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. So, let's get to it. We are at the Orleans, which is a Boyd property, but it's not downtown, in the downtown area where the Cal, Fremont, and Main Street Station. This one is actually a couple miles up off of the strip on Tropicana. Very popular hotel for locals here. They have everything here. They have bowling, they have all kinds of events that happen here. So we're gonna do a room tour. So let's get to it. So walk in the room. This is the strangest thing, at least for me. You walk into the room and the bed's right there. So this is a 2-queen, non-smoking. So you have the one bed right here as soon as you walk in. So literally the door is right here. You come in, you've got a bed, you've got a console here with your flat screen, which is probably one of the more current things that is happening in this room. I will tell you, the room is very nice, but it is dated. The furniture's dated, the room is old. It's a little bit darker, but you know what? It's nice, it's big, and it's clean. So you do have a nice dresser over here. Drawers. This is a little misleading though, because that's actually a little cubby. And no refrigerator. Your writing desk. We do have a couple power outlets here on this nice lamp that seems to be modern-ish. And I love this, free coffee. Oh wait, look. Somebody left their little ring here. And there's an earring too. That's funny. Look at that. We just checked in. We're already winning over here. Maybe that's a real pearl. So you have free coffee over here, chair, and you have like a little mini kind of living room seating area, which is actually pretty nice. Again, the furniture's old, but it's nice that there's spaces here. So that's, you know, pro and con, right? Nice big area, kind of a weird chair sitting here facing into the room. Doesn't match, but it's fine. It's fine. Nice to have seating area over here. A view of the parking lot, and you can actually see the palms down the road. So over here is the bathroom, and I actually do like that it's not a swinging door, because that's just kind of feels like it takes up a lot of space for the bathroom. So they do have the sliding door, the farm door over here. This is another kind of funky thing. Your closet is part of the bathroom. Big area. It looks like it might be ADA accessible too in here, because it's a big doorway. Pretty nice. You've got your basics, right? You've got your hair dryer over here. Plastic. Is this a Tupperware ice bucket? I don't know, but you got a nice bucket in here. Because there is no refrigerator, so here's your ice bucket. I don't know why there's not a refrigerator, because it seems like there's just a lot of unused space in here, but oh well. And then you've got basic bathroom area, shower, toilet. Yep, I don't know. Oh, this is cool. There's a little window off of the shower. Is it? Let me just. How crazy! You can sneak out of your room at night and go gamble while your wife is sleeping. Looks like that's the balcony area that you can see from outside. Interesting. Huh. It's kind of a cool, funky feature, I guess. But maybe, you know, through the steam in the shower. I don't know, that's pretty cool. I like that. Let's go back into the room. Oh, big mirror. But that's it, guys. Let us know your thoughts. Have you been to the Orleans? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What do you think of the room? What's your experience? We want to hear from you. Like the video, comment below, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's everything Vegas, rooms, food, entertainment, updates. We even talk about the weather on our channel. So let us know what you guys want to see. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.